Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Today, I'm going to give you 3 amazing, affordable chicken dishes on this 1-minute meal episode. So yes, my videos are 1 minute each for each dish. However, I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks of the trade before each video rolls. And honestly, that's all you need. That's all you need is 1 minute to get the whole recipe, the whole how-to, and you are gonna be on your way into your kitchen making the best chicken dish ever. Let's see what's on the menu. Okay, let me just handy dandy notes, okay? Fried chicken. I'm gonna show you how to make sour orange chicken in the oven and juicy chicken thighs. Let's get this started. The first one is fried chicken. Well, you can't go wrong with fried chicken. Number 1, we're gonna marinate our chicken in buttermilk. Buttermilk is important because it's gonna tenderize your chicken, and we're gonna flavor the buttermilk. Any opportunity you have to put flavor into your meats, do it. Tony's Sacheries. I think I learned how to say that on TikTok, Sacheries, but I guess people just call it Tony's. This is the best seasoning ever. It contains salt, so when you see my videos and you don't see me adding salt, it's because it has salt in it. The flavor is out of this world. Buy it. I'm gonna link it in case you can't find it where you're living, in your grocery store. When I fried my chicken, I use self-rising flour. You don't have to. You can use all-purpose flour if you want to, but self-rising just gives it that extra crispy. It's like when you go to Kentucky Fried Chicken and you're like extra crispy, that's what you're gonna do. It's going to just make your chicken just And because I use bone-in because that's the most flavorful. So you're gonna fry it about 25 minutes total. You're gonna flip it. You can flip it more than once if you want to, but let it sit there for a while and fry it around medium. Everyone's oven is different. You don't want it to be so hot to where you're burning the outside immediately. So a good place to start is let it heat up, get it nice and hot, throw some flour in there to make sure it's ready. If the flour sizzles, pop, it's ready to go. Medium heat, and that's it. Roll it. Let's make fried chicken. Clean and prep your legs and thighs. Chop an onion. Boom. To the party. Some cloves of garlic, like that. Put it on. Salt. Get your favorite hot sauce. Get it all in there. Buttermilk. Pour it all over. Cover, put in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. 4 hours later, remove the chicken from the buttermilk. Pat them dry, no moisture. Done. Self-rising flour. Here. Tony's. Here. Here. Garlic. Black pepper, onion powder, all over, and in the flour. Poultry seasoning. Whisk. Get it all in. Let it get room temp, 30 minutes. Now we dredge. Shake off excess. Place, repeat. Check it. Give it a flip. Done. Crispy on the outside, moist inside. The next dish is sour orange chicken. This dish is out of this world and so easy for an easy weeknight dinner. I promise you, just amazing. So you're going to need, it's called, I can't say, I'm not Spanish, so don't come from me in the comments. Naranja, it's by Badia, and it's like a sour orange marinade. I will link it so you can, if you don't have it where you live, you can order it. Season your chicken well. I can't say it enough. Season your chicken, massage it in there. You're gonna use sazon in this, and you're gonna use some adobo, black pepper, get under the skin of the thighs, season, and then you're gonna set it aside for a half hour to really let the seasoning sink in. When you marinate this chicken with the sour orange marinade, you're only gonna marinate for about 45 minutes to 30 minutes. No longer than that because it's got acidity in it, so it might break down the chicken and almost start cooking it. So you don't want to do that. When you're gonna see a part in the video where I saute garlic, you're only letting it sweat. You're not sauteing the garlic until it is brown. That's not the purpose of it. It's just to release the flavors, and then you're gonna throw it in the marinade. So just let it sit in the bag for 30 to 45 minutes. That's it. When you go to cook it, you're gonna put your chicken skin side down in the oven. Then you're gonna flip it and cook it for the last half skin side up so it crisps, and it's just, I'm telling you, this is it. Roll. Easy weeknight sour orange chicken. And prep your chicken thighs. Sazon all over. Adobo. Get complete seasoning. Get it in. Massage it like that. Set it aside. Buy a bottle of this. 20 ounces in. Chop up a bulb. Boom. 1 small onion. Boom. Olive oil in a small pan. Garlic to the party. Salt and pepper. Get your rice going. Not cooking this, just let it sweat. Like that. Put it in the pitcher. Fresh oregano. Boom. To the party. Pepper. Mix. Ziploc. Get some chicken in there. Pour some in. Squeeze some of the air out. Make sure it's all in the marinade. Leave a little left over. Throw some onions in. Marinate 45 minutes. Place it skin side down. Now pour some of the marinade over. Like that. We're gonna bake at 350 for a half hour. Then we're gonna flip it and bake at 400. Out. Flip. Back in at 400. Half hour. Let's take a peek. Done. Rice. Chicken. So I'm saving the best for last. This is actually the easiest and the best. Easiest and the best. Juicy chicken thighs. It is going to be crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the most flavorful chicken you've probably ever had. I need the Tonys. Get the Tonys. This is it. This is it. Easy weeknight, juicy chicken thighs. Get your rice going. Chicken bouillon. Boom. Drop it. Butter. Rice. Clean and prep your thighs. Olive oil all over. Get it in there good. Tony's Cheshires. Get it all over. Onion powder. Get it in. Garlic powder. Complete seasoning. Get it in. Black pepper. Paprika. Boom. Get it in there good. Should look like this. Cover it. Fridge for at least 30 minutes. Vegetable oil. Butter. Sear on both sides. Don't mess with it. Flip. It smells so good. Look at that. Transfer to baking dish. Baking dish. Get some of the oil in there. Oven at 350, cook it for 20 minutes, then uncover it another 10. Finish it off at 450 for 5 minutes. Done. Juice over rice. Chicken. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. I hope you make these dishes. If you make these dishes, follow me on Instagram. Tag me in the dish. I love to put it on my story and I'll tag you so you can see your food on my Instagram. And so follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe. Love ya.